This is Mr. Stan 913 here. I'm going to go inside the store. It's called Stained Glass Reflections and on Main Street in Wellsboro, PA. And they actually make the stained glass in here. Really cool looking store. The gentleman allowed me to video, and they actually make the stained glass right here. And he's going to show us how he does the process of making the stained glass. So how long have you guys been here in Wellsboro?
I've been at this location for 19 years, but I've been doing glass for 33.
33 years, and you perform classes and stuff here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Classes, and we repair and restore, sell supplies.
Nice.
But mostly, as I said, do custom work for people.
Wow. And this is your working area right here?
This is our work area and where we teach also.
Wow. And it's real stained glass or not?
There is no such thing as fake stained glass, darling.
I'm a newbie at this, so
Okay.
we do have stained glass in our house, but never seen a place like this that actually
Yeah, we're a dying breed.
dying breed. Yes,
Yeah.
there's a lot of things that are dying breed in this
Yes.
world, right?
Yes.
But this is really neat.
Yeah.
It's great that you guys keep the tradition going. Wow.
Yeah, our customers are from all over, obviously.
Okay.
Mostly New York, New Jersey, Philadelphia,
Yeah.
you know,
Nice.
Maryland, a lot of
You
Maryland.
were
Wow.
describing, yeah.
So again, this is Stained Glass Reflections in Wellsboro, PA. So if this is your first time watching, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It lets us know what you like and what you don't like. This is Mr. Stan 913 in Wellsboro, PA at Stained Glass Reflections. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.